rightfully mine. I laugh at your demise. This is a Minotaur battling a mannequin with a bag over its eyes. You stay static in a fight, then I jab you with the right, cause damage to your sight. No free healthcare, all the bills staggeringly priced. Tell me, how the fuck are you managing this flight? See, they're the kind of abstract rhymes it'll spew. Fair play, mate, if that's what you're inclining to do. But don't hate if I come to King of the Dot ass naked with a shotgun, cause I will shoot the fucking daylight out of you.
Those of y'all that do know me, well, my last battle wasn't really up to standard for me, but I still took the win home unanimously. And now I'm back on your scene with raps packing the heat, so how the fuck's a little Blizzard gonna stand a chance against me? You went from 2.5 million views to 300,000 views to like 70K tops. Holy shit, you're just a teen brat and already falling off. And schools were blatantly dissing your statements to grist. But complaining about this only makes you a bitch, and now you're taking a piss in the game of the wit, so this is me filling you in on the education you missed.
Yo, your music's whack and you're never grabbing shit off it. If I'm actually honest, your attempt at mainstream backpacker rap is moronic. You should take my advice, Adam, and stop it. But I get it, America's a very religious country, so it makes sense that you're only after a profit. So you wanna rap then? Okay, cool. Stop the bollocks, I am on it. So much poison in my blood that I'm gonna die from it. I am not a nice topic, I'm a horror bite. I'll pick me and Satan share cells like we're monozygotic. Take me off my pedestal, not on my wallet. I won't pay you any dues unless there's guap in my pocket. Me and Briss top the views, now you wanna try stop it? This is don't flop. If you're not willing to colonize, drop it.
Or the fact that you don't inhale when blazing trees, which is just insane to me. So from pot smokers everywhere, stop wasting weed. Yo, but we could do it rapper hands. I'm sure the crowd doesn't mind. We can really see if Brad is greener on the other side. Fuck a green piece of green thumb, cause green ain't the man. I would rather serve Bradley green eggs and ham. And you can have your American idiot bars lined up on replay. That shit would be dookie, and today would not be Green Day. You'll never find a G as wise as me, and I'll win for being me, and you can chalk it up to irony. I'm not fat, don't watch TV, I'm intelligent, shit I try to be. So there's a million reasons to hate America, but none of them apply to me. Yo, but I'll be austere. Yes, strap him off near death. This is fascinating facets versus a lawn chair's depth. This a top tier threat versus a not near vet. So you might get here someday, but you're not there yet.
Fuck it, yo. Apart from being touched by a man about triple your age, I can imagine that ordeal would only fill you with rage. But let me turn to a different page. Your trauma with Sandusky is the reason that you're so eccentric when you spit on the stage. He's looking up to God now, seeking for his answer, trying to avoid the questions that peeps are gonna ask you. His Thanatos makes him wish that his teacher died of cancer, while Stockholm Syndrome's making him develop feelings for his captor.
So what, you losing focus? You ain't think we know this? It's the third round and Blizzard has yet to drop some cold shit. I guess your judgment's getting clouded with people saying Blizzard is dope. He's getting flaky. Soon enough he'll be addicted to snow. Well, expect flurries from me. I hope you can sustain bunches. I would never hail Blizzard. I would rather rain punches. And if there's a Mrs. Blizzard, I hope she doesn't stick around, cause if I find her on the road, then that bitch is getting plowed. You're a little bitch boy. That's that shit I don't like. Little rich boy. That's that shit I don't like. Blizzard, no, that's Snow White. He's all bark and he's no bite. Yeah, he is not the wrong type, and that's that shit I don't like. Should I call him a tryhard for his style and clothes, or should I call him Donald Glover for his childish flow? Like, pow, that's one jab to the chest. Watch how I don't be smacking his head. I will hit him in the chin, but a hit him in the chin to him just might be snapping his neck. Beast in the flesh. I've been the best from the east to the west. This will be the echo of your third verse Lego, but instead I'll be the one to put the beast to your chest. I really want to fuck with him, but then again, he's just a kid. So instead of sucker him, I'll just fucking tuck him in. You done had some dope opponents, but none this sick. You have some fans, but now they want to jump his ship. I fuck with the UK, Brad can suck this dick, so God save the queen, but fuck this bitch.